We are dealing these two questions on the board. One said that what is 12% of 48? Another one is what 12 is 25% of what number? First of all, if they say what is 12% of 48, what it means that this 12% we are going to write it as 12 over what 100 times 48. So when we have 12 times 48 will give us 576 over what 100. And when we divide 576 over 100, we are going to have 57.6. It means that 12% of 48 is what 57.6. Here they say 12 is 25% of what number? We don't know the number. We say let the number, we're going to say let the number be what? X. So what we are going to do now, we are now going to write 12 is equals to what? X times what? 25 over what? 100. Alright? So at this point, we are going to what? Cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we are going to have 12 times 100 is equals to what? X times 25, which we are going to have 25x. 12 times 100 will give us 1200 is equals to what? 25x. We divide both sides by 25, we divide both sides by 25. Then 1200 divided by 25 is going to give us what? 48. This is how to solve this arithmetic logical reasoning